start my presentation or my testimony. So like what mentor Rachel mentioned, I am the world's #9 pancreatic cancer survivor. Because of my pancreatic cancer, nagkaroon ako ng maraming complication sa aking medical condition. So ang unang-una niyan is I'm suffering from cirrhosis of the liver, fatty liver, kidney disease, diabetes, heart problem, and to sum it all, I also my blood has heavy ammonia in my bloodstream. So yung high ammonia is actually associated with liver cirrhosis as well as fatty liver. Kasi yung liver ko hindi na nagfa-function properly for it to clean the blood that's going through my liver. So since I'm a pancreatic cancer survivor, wala na akong pancreas, and pancreas is the one that's helping yung liver to secrete enzymes para mag-function yung liver. So to make the long story short, 2 years ago, yung lahat ng mga symptoms ng liver ko naglabasan na. That's when every time na bumabiyahe ako ng pauwi ng Amerika, because of the long haul, pagdating ko doon, pagod na yung katawan ko, mataas na yung ammonia ko, dire-diretso ako sa ER. So I will be staying sa hospital for about 4 to 5 days hanggang sa bumaba yung ammonia ko through yung mga synthetic drugs na ini-inject sa akin. So yung mga synthetic drugs, as we all know, hindi maganda sa katawan yon. Instead of actually helping me, lalong nagde-deteriorate yung katawan ko. So 2 years ago, November of 2022, ang suggestion ng doktor ko is to undergo FibroScan. FibroScan is a process wherein they will try to detect kung how's the liver, how healthy the liver is. So itong slide na to, makikita natin yung November of 2022, yung reading of the stiffness of my liver was 26.7. Functionality ng liver ko was 369. So at that point, ang sabi ng doktor sa akin, I have to watch my diet. I have to make sure na yung stiffness hindi lalong tumigas. Kasi once na tumigas lahat yan, the whole liver will be useless and it will become cirrhosis. So in other words, for cirrhosis will be cancer of the liver. So life goes on. So I listened to what my doctor was advising me. So ang ginawa ko, I watch my diet. Hindi na ako kumakain ng mga yung mga medyo fatty, greasy, para ma-slow down yung pagka-stiffness ng liver ko. But unfortunately, no matter how I tried, hindi pa rin nakakatulong sa health ko. Next screen, please. So, August of last year, I went through another test for my liver. So, yung test naman, let's go to the next FibroScan. So, from November to August, so that's about 10 months, nagpa-test ako ulit ng liver ko. Ang lumabas doon sa record nung August of 2023, naging from 269 ang functionality naging 370. Tapos from 26.7 naging 30.5. So at that point, my doctor was really alarmed. Kasi sabi niya, ang bilis naman tumigas yung liver mo. So kaya sabi ng doktor sa akin, talagang pag-iingatan mo, if you don't take care of it, then you only had 6 months to live. So yun ang sinabi sa akin ng doktor that when I got the result last August of 2023. So at that point, imbis na I will be relaxed and more cautious, ang nangyari sa akin, the more ako naging depressed. Kasi hearing na the doctor mentioned that I only have 6 months to live if I don't slow down yung stiffness. So that really worried me kasi I'm here by myself. I have my business going. My children, they're all in the States. Wala sa kanila interesado sa ginagawa kong negosyo rito due to the fact dahil kasi napakainit daw dito sa Pilipinas. Sanay sila sa cooler weather in San Francisco. So, pero at the same time, yung diabetes ko, nagiging serious na rin. Hindi na ako masyadong makalakad. Tuwing lumalakad ako, ang nangyayari sa akin is nagkakaroon ako ng cramps. Pag nagkaroon ng cramps, talagang hindi ko na matiis. So, I have to take heavy pain medicine. So, there are sometimes that I'm taking three couplets of Tylenol para hindi masyadong sumakit ng makaya ko. So, ang nangyayari din doon is hindi ako makatulog. So, the most that I'm sleeping at night will be 2 hours. Kung talagang pagod na ako, I will try to take sleeping pills. But yet, hindi pa rin nakakatulong sa akin. So, nadadagdagan ng mga half an hour na sleep. So, nagiging mga 2.5 hour. The whole day, the whole night, gising ako. Tapos yung katawan ko nagiging weak, na yung mental health ko, it's suffering because of high level of ammonia in my bloodstream. So, I was playing, ang advice ng doktor sa akin, don't stay home, go out, and kailangan mo rin ng sunlight para medyo sumigla-sigla ka ng konti kasi vitamin D deficient din ako. So bukod doon, ang daming mga ibang medicine na binibigay sa akin. I was taking like 16 medicine every day just to make sure that everything will be in control. Pero lahat yon puro mga synthetic medicine. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, imbis na nakakatulong sa akin, lalong sumasama, pati na yung kidney ko, lalong sumasama. Ang creatinine ko, napakataas. So, yung isang sign na talagang overwork, tsaka damage na rin, pati na yung kidney ko. So, one of my golf buddies, sinuggest niya sa akin na to start taking barley. So when he suggested that, so he introduced himself, sabi niya sa akin kasi never asked him kung sino yung asawa niya, and then he mentioned to me na Maritoni Fernandez is his wife. So sabi ko, yeah, yung barley yung nabuhay, gumaling sa barley because of gumaling yung breast cancer because of barley. Sabi niya, oh, yun nga. So sabi niya, try to take that. So then I check on someone that could give me or sell me a box of barley kasi gusto ko munang itry kung talagang makakatulong sa akin. So after trying it for 10 days, medyo nag-clear yung mind ko. Nagulat ako kasi sama-sama na yan, connected na lahat yan. Yung hindi ako makapag-process, kakausapin mo ko, hindi kita masagot dahil kasi hindi ko ma-process kagad ng utak ko kung ano yung isasagot ko sa iyo. So to make the long story short, imbis na araw-araw pupunta sa office before, ngayon sa bahay na lang ako. Kasi mas na-hide ko from my staff and my associates kung ano yung medical condition ko. Ayaw kong malaman nila na I'm seriously ill and I was only given 6 months to live if my liver continued to harden. So after taking it for 10 days, I was surprised na nag-clear yung mind ko. So sabi ko, okay to kung nag-clear yung mind ko, then I have to keep on taking this. So I checked the Facebook and no, I saw Mentor Rachel kasi very active siya. So tinignan ko, ang dami kong mga ni-research kung sino yung kakausapin ko. So nakita ko na si Rachel is very caring. And at the same time, ina-explain niya tungkol dun sa yung product natin, which is the barley. So, kinontak ko siya. So, sabi ko sa kanya na I wanted to know more about this barley. I never asked her about the business opportunity side kasi I'm more concerned about my health rather than kung ano man ng benefit na makukuha ko on the opportunity side or the business side. So, pagkatapos mag-meet kami ni Mentor Rachel, so I asked her 2 questions. Number 1 is, paano ba ako makakakuha nitong barley nito at a discounted price? Pangalawang question ko sa kanya is, paano ba ako na makaka-enjoy dito sa barley na to for life na hindi na ako magbabayad. So yun ang dalawang question na tinanong ko sa kanya. So ang pangako niya sa akin is I can promise you the first one, which will be if you become a member, you'll be entitled for 50% off for life. So then sabi ko kung 50% off, so for 1,000 bucks, 500 na lang ang babayaran ko. Sabi ko, okay sa akin yon. And then at the same time, sabi niya, if you sign up for Jade, meron ka pang 50 boxes for free as a bonus for signing up the VIP package. So nung kinalkula ko yung 50 boxes, which is equivalent to 500 sachet, sabi ko, then I could take that for more than a year for free. Sabi ko, okay yan, sige, sign me up. Without any further delay, nag-sign up ako kagad, binigay ko yung credit card ko, but I'm not concerned about the opportunity side kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa multi-level marketing. But even then, so sinabi niya, nagbigay siya ng konting background tungkol doon. So I just listened without paying too much attention to that. So I continued taking the barley hanggang sa mid of March, bumalik ako ng San Francisco. After going back to San Francisco, walang symptoms of being sick. Hindi ako na check-in sa ER. Sabi nung mga kaibigan ko, bibisitahin ka na ba namin sa hospital? Kasi every time I go home for the last 2 years, sa hospital ang unang punta nila para bisitahin ako. But this time, they were surprised na wala ako sa hospital. So tapos sabi nila, so since okay ka na, pick upin ka na namin para mag-get together tayo, coffee, dinner, lunch, or yung mga normal na ginagawa namin. So sabi ko, sige, where are we going to meet? So sabi ko, I'll just drive and meet you there. So nagulat sila kasi I was forbidden to drive because of my medical condition. Pwede ako mag-pass out anytime na hindi ko alam, ma-aksidente ako or something. So kaya ang nangyari is nagulat sila na I can drive. So they said, are you sure it's okay for us to pick you up? So sabi ko, no, hindi, sige, I'll just meet you where we're going to have lunch at that time. So magmula noon, anywhere I go, palagi akong may dalang uh, extra na barley in case na kailangan kong minom ng extra. Pero yun ang ginagawa ko. Hanggang sa nakita ng mga kaibigan ko nung nag-meet kami in person, sabi nila, you look good and you look younger. And at the same time, you look healthier. So sabi ko, yeah, it's because of this barley. So pinatry ko rin sila nung nag-meet kami. So sabi nila, oh, masarap pala tong barley na to. So tapos sabi nila, uh, ano ba yung kailangan namin para makakuha rin kami nitong barley? Sabi ko sa kanila na, well, you have to take the opportunity na mag-sign up dito sa ano para makakuha ka ng 50% off and ma-enjoy nyo yung barley to keep you healthy. So remember, at my age, syempre yung mga kaibigan ko, mga kaedad ko na rin yan. Lahat may diabetes, may mga improper na bowel movement, kung ano-ano pang mga problema sa katawan. So tinanong nila, so what would you suggest na gawin namin? Sabi ko, well, I don't know kasi ako I sign up for Jade kasi because there are 50 boxes for free. So I had five of my friends nag-sign up kagad ng Jade package. Kaya nung pagbalik ko dito sa Manila in April, uh, binigay ko kagad kay mentor Rachel para i-process yung mga nag-sign up. So tapos I went to Kuala Lumpur to attend the water convention because that's yung negosyo ko. So for 5 days, hindi rin ako napagod. For 5 days, hindi rin ako nagkasakit. Pagbalik ko dito, so I'm healthier than 20 years ago. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, so if barley is really the reason why I'm stronger, so nung May, sabi ko, I need to go back and have my fibroscan to find out gaano kaganda ang naging result after taking barley from February hanggang May. So I have my result taken in May of the one on the right, May 30 this year. Ang naging resulta nung stiffness nung liver ko is 22.2 yung naka-circle dun sa baba. Tapos yung functionality ng liver ko naging 205. So ang normal stiffness ng isang liver for normal person is 20. So lumabas dun sa result ng fibroscan ko 22.2. So sabi nung doktor sa akin, you're normal. Tapos yung functionality nung liver ko naging 205. Sabi ng doktor, sabi niya, this is amazing. Sa tagal kong naging GI doctor, ikaw lang ang nakita ko nag-reverse. Ang puro ng mga nakikita nila is slow down yung pagiging worse. Sa akin lang daw, ang nakita nila from 30.5 bumaba ng 22.2. Sabi ko, amazing. So nag-pray kagad ako, nagpasalamat ako kagad sa Diyos. Sabi ko, thank you very much, Lord, for saving my life. Now, the doctor confirmed na hindi na ako mamamatay in 6 months kasi healthy na yung liver ko. But being a doctor, so he wanted to be cautious. Kaya ang ginawa ng doktor, sabi niya, let's do all the tests to make sure na walang ibang complications. So we went to have complete blood work, ultrasound, EKG, kung ano-ano pa. So lahat lumabas normal. So sabi nung doktor, just keep on doing what you're doing. Sabi ko, yeah, it's only barley. Sabi niya, are you sure barley? Sabi ko, yeah, only barley. And ang barley ang nakatulong sa akin. At that point, I was taking two sachet of barley every day na dahil because I wanted to control my diabetes too. So even my diabetes went down from almost 200 hanggang sa 110, 100 to 110. Yung A1C ko from 7.4 bumaba ng 6 something. So lahat ng mga test result, it's gearing towards being normal. So praise the Lord for the barley kasi the Lord lead me to or introduce me to take this barley. Kaya ngayon I'm healthier. I could say that probably the Lord will let me live for another 30 years. Baka mag 100 years old pa ako. Okay, so since then I told the Lord na magmula ngayon, wala akong gagawin kung hindi i-spread na lang yung news na how barley helped me, and it's also going to help a lot of other people. So that becomes uh, my goal is to be uh, a faithful ambassador, agent of hope, and to spread itong I am worldwide amazing barley to everyone.
And amazing po talaga yung testimony niyo, Mens, no? But, of course, here in IM po, di ba? After po ninyo, Mens, ma-experience yung amazing testimony niyo with the barley, can you share po a little bit of how your IM journey naman? Kung paano naman po yung naging IM journey niyo po? Okay lang po ba, Mens?
Sure. So how are we going to start?
I-share ko po, Mens, from starting last April 2024 when you came back in Manila po. Share screen ka po, Mens.
Yes, yes po, Mentor Rachel. So, unang-unang mga na notice ng mga friends ko, so yung mukha ko, if you look at my face right now, I don't look sick and I look good and I even look younger. So nagulat nga yung mga friends ko, even my relatives, they're all surprised na makita ko na from 2 3 years ago na compared to now, I look healthier. Tapos yung mukha ko is fresher. So kaya yun ang unang mga journey na nangyayari. So every time na may kausap ako sa negosyo on my other business, pagkatapos mag-meeting, hindi ko na pinalalagpas lahat ng mga nakakausap ko. Ini-introduce ko na kagad yung barley. Kasi most of the time, our meeting will run the whole day. So ang unang tatanungin nila sa akin is, hindi ka ba napapagod? Aren't you tired? Because we've been meeting and we've been brainstorming for so many hours. So at my age, they thought that I must be exhausted. Sabi ko, no, I'm not. We could go for another 6 hours and I won't be tired. So because of the barley. So then at that point, I start giving my testimony, telling them about the barley, and that's when they are really interested and wanted to know more about the opportunity for our barley. Was I able to answer the question, Mentor Rachel?
Yes, Mens. Thank you so much. And then can you continue it in sharing your story on how you became the Sapphire on your first Just For You check, and then up to this point on your latest achievement, Mens. I'm going to share your screen po.
Sige po. So, nung nagkita kami ni Mentor Rachel, sabi niya sa akin is if you this will be a goal for you. So ang ginawa niya, sinulat niya sa papel kung ano yung mga para just to have a quick understanding of the business opportunity side. So pinakita niya lang sa akin kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin in the event that I have other people who might be interested to be part of our amazing barley. So sinundan ko lang yung mga nakasulat ngayon dito sa papel na yan. Nung nasa eroplano ako pauwi, binasa ko, tinignan ko. So yun ang minemorize ko kung just in case kung may mga interesado. And that's the reason why when they told me they're interested, I immediately tell them to sign up for Jade. So they gave me their money, credit card para i-charge yung membership nila. So after signing up yung mga Jade, so sabi ni mentor Rachel and mentor MC, sabi niya na you could actually get your sapphire before the end of the month. O sabi ko, paano natin gagawin yon? So, pinoint out nila, tinuro nila sa akin kung anong mga kailangan ko. Kailangan ko ng magkaroon ng mga downline and also to have some mover. So, before the end of April, I was able to hit the Sapphire Elite Executive rank.
No? He's our latest, he's part of the Millionaire Circle na rin po just this week. So, congratulations, Mentor PJ. Okay? So, Mentor PJ, meron pong isang nagtatanong dito. Sabi po niya, ilang sachet per day po ang ginagawa mong pag-inom ng barley?
So I'm taking 2 sachet and in between, I'm taking yung coffee mix with glutathione. Just so kasi yung glutathione, it's good for the liver. So that's the coffee that I'm taking. Tapos sa gabi, pagkapagod ako, I'm taking yung acai berry.
Okay, men. So, sige po, we are opening po yung chat box natin for questions. May mga questions po ba kayo kay Mentor PJ, Mentor? Mentor PJ, may nagtatanong po, what made you decide to do the business?
When I start studying yung system ng IM Worldwide, I was surprised na napaka-organized na ang kumpanya natin to do everything for us. Ang gagawin lang natin is to introduce yung product. So katulad ng yung partner ko, sabi sa akin, sabi niya, sa lahat mga ininvest mo, this is the only business that you invested that you got the shortest ROI. Bukod doon, nakikita niya na I don't need to hire mga IT, I don't need to hire additional staff ng katulad ng bookkeeper to keep track of my activities sa business kasi it's all being done for us. So meron tayong yung system natin na plug and play. So ipa-plug in mo lang lahat yung mga information mo tuwing meron kang makukuhang new sign in or pay in. So that's all you need to do. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock dahil kasi whenever na may kailangan, the office is open 6 days a week. So pupunta na lang ako sa office, mag-order na lang ako kung ano yung mga kulang. So that's how easy it is. So kaya sabi ko, this is a no-brainer. And at the same time, one time lang ako mag-i-invest. Ngayon, I made over 1 million. So yung 200,000 na ininvest ko diyan, nabawi ko na, nagkaroon pa ako ng 250 boxes na barley. So kung naririnig ng mga kasamahan kong negosyante, na-amaze sila. So nasasabi nila na tama ka nga parin Jun dahil kasi napakasimple talaga nitong IM Worldwide.
Yes.
That made me decide na to get more involved.
Yes, yeah. Thank you so much. This is coming from the point of view of a businessman na mentors na in IM Worldwide, you can get the ROI in the fastest or in the shortest span of time. Okay? Thank you so much, Mentor PJ. And of course, meron pa rin po tayong question, Mentor PJ. Gaano po kayo katagal uminom bago gumaling? Sabi ni Mentor Arlene.
Yung 10 sachet, 1 sachet, I took it for 10 days. So nag-clear yung mind ko kagad. So that's how fast it happened. Tapos yung pagka-cramps ng mga legs ko, I don't know if we have slide for that, na namamaga yung mga binti ko due to uh, dun sa sa diabetes. So after taking at that point, ang ginawa ko, I took 3 sachet kasi narinig ko yung isang testimony na ganun din yung condition ng paa niya, namamaga. He start taking 3 sachet hanggang sa naging normal after 1 week. So this is what happened. So I followed what he's doing. So I took 3 sachet for 1 week. Naging normal yung binti ko, hindi na namamaga, nakakapag-exercise na ako, nakakalakad na ako ng minimum of 5,000 steps. Naaakyat ko na yung rooftop ng condominium namin up to 38th floor without being tired, without having cramps on my legs. So, yun ang mga nangyari sa akin. So, if anybody wanted to try, I can invite you to our condo. Akyatin natin from ground floor to the 38th floor. Tingnan natin kung sino sa ating dalawa ang mauuna sa taas.
Yes. Grabe po yan, Senator PJ. Nagsisend po yan sa akin. Naakyat niya ang 38 floors ng kanyang condo. So, imagine, no? Kung ako po, in my late 20s, wow, alam mo, no? No age reveal. Pero siya po ay, nagagawa niya na po ulit mag-exercise. Naka more than 5,000 steps na siya. Tama ba, Mens? And yung sleep niya. Di ba, Mens? Kamusta yung tulog mo, Mens?
So now I'm sleeping between 6 to 7 hours.
Oh, wow.
Non-stop, dire-diretso yan.
Oh, non-stop daw, dire-diretso. This is from 2 hours of sleep, di ba po, before taking of barley?
Yes po, yes po.
Yes, so grabe po talaga yung naging effect kay Tito PJ, kay Mentor PJ. And aside from that, Mentor PJ, from 15 pills, tama ba? Down, kung ilan na po ba?
15 to 16.
15
to 16.
pills? And then
So
now, pills na lang po yun.
ngayon I'm only taking the one for pancreas. Kasi wala pa tayong nakikita na totally out sa pancreas. So kaya yun lang ang iniinom ko ngayon, which is 3 sa isang araw.
Okay. So, yun po yung kanya. So, isipin niyo po, nag-downgrade din siya ng intake niya ng pills. Diba? So, safe.
And then recently, I wanted to add something. Some of my friends, tinanong ako, sabi nila na mga 2-3 years ago, yung mukha mo napaka-haggard, ngayon medyo may laman. Nagpa-botox ka ba? Nagpa-stem cell ka ba? Lahat puro yung mga ganun ang tanong dahil kasi nawala yung masyadong kulubot yung mukha ko, naging glowing yung mukha ko. So akala nila nagpa-botox ako o nagpa-stem cell.
Nagpabelo ka raw, Mens. Ayan, ayan. If you are going to see Mentor PJ in person, ibang-iba na po talaga siya. From the point na last February nag-meet kami. Diba? Sobrang na po siya. Poging-pogi daw, sabi ni Mentor MC. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Any more question, Mentor? Si Mentor Roberto Quartero. Sabi niya, praise the Lord po, men, sa buhay mo. May mission ka ba, mens, dito sa Earth? Ka ba?
Yeah, I'm sure. Meron akong mission because this is my third life. So I survived pancreatic cancer. Tapos I survived liver cirrhosis. So ngayon, I think what the Lord wanted me to do is to keep on being faithful in spreading the hope to everyone, which is the health, opportunity, prosperity to everyone through I Am Worldwide. Praise the Lord, and to God be the glory.
Thank you so much, Mentor PJ. And I think there's no more question na. Ay, meron pa pala, Mens. From Erica Soreda, how many months niyo po na-hit ang first M niyo po? Tips po, Mens, sa mga nagsisimula sa negosyo daw.
So, nung I should have been able to do that by July. So pero nung July, my MC and Rachel gave me another goal. Sabi niya na I have to develop yung downline ko nga para mag-rank up ako into Ruby. So I spend most of the time helping them to grow para maging solid yung team. So that's why medyo nag-slow down yung pagkuha ko ng DR, but otherwise I would have been millionaire circle by as early as late June or early July.
Friends, thank you so much. And any tips daw po sa mga nagsisimula here in I Am Worldwide?
Number one is to pray, ask for Lord's guidance. Number two is to be honest and have an open mind to help. Yung opportunity will just come when people see that the barley really help you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mens. And I think this is the last question. Ngayon po, Mens, ilang sachet na lang po for maintenance nyo na clear na kayo? Ilang barley daw po, Mens, kayo now?
So
Sa
I'm taking I'm taking 2 sachet of barley every day, and then in between either yung coffee mix na may glutathione, tapos sa gabi yung acai berry.
Oh, thank you so much, Mentor PJ. So, nakakadalawang sachet daw po siya ng pure barley, isang coffee with glutathione in the afternoon, and then sa gabi po ay nag-aasay berry po siya. O, alam niyo na po kung bakit sobrang bata nating Mentor PJ. Diba?